Hello everyone. So my name is Nitin Gupta and I am here to represent my project on product dissection. So I have chosen my product to be dissected is Microsoft. So the problem statement. Basically the project is on product dissection for top leading platforms. Uh, now the problem statement is we have a case study on dissecting and designing product for top leading platform. And this we will dwell into integrating word of schema design for prominent platform of my choice. Here my choice is Microsoft. And my task is to the choose a top leading platform, research is and research on its features. And and I have to meticulously craft a schema design that encapsulate the essence of its functionality uh, by focusing on key entities, attributes, and relations. And then I have to represent its uh, the entity relationship diagram. And we have to conclude the project. So, in step one, I have chosen my leading platform as Microsoft. Then I have in second step I have to research on my platform, which is Microsoft. So I have researched on various micro hardwares as well as software based products of Microsoft. Now, in next step, I have to dissect and using the real world problems solved by Microsoft. Microsoft products have solved real world problems in many ways by improving access to education and productivity across the globe. Example of this in COVID times, we have seen online classes which are performed basically by one of the top leading platform of Microsoft, that is Microsoft Teams, in which the interaction between the student and teacher is very much solved using interactive boards, interactive writing boards, and many other features which contained in Microsoft Teams. And we have one of the top leading platforms in mm, world, which is Microsoft Office 365, which is used by almost most of the top tech companies in the world, which contains Microsoft Excel and other types of Microsoft softwares. And we also have Microsoft Azure, one of the leading AI one of the leading AI products created by Microsoft, and it helps in data storage, cybersecurity, and scalable computing for healthcare system, financial institutes, and startups. And it helps in analyzing data, protect sensitive information, and innovate more efficiently. And together, these tools address real challenges related to communication, continuity, and digital inclusion. And now, in our step 4, we move on to real world problems and solution provided by Microsoft. Our first problem is inefficient collaboration. Real world example in inefficient collaboration was a major challenge for multinational consulting firms. With teams spread across different nets. Reliance on excessive email communication led to information overload. So Microsoft have created a platform called Microsoft Teams. The firm enabled real-time messaging, video conferencing, and seamless file sharing on a single platform. This shift significantly improves cross-team coordination, reduce error, and ultimately increased overall productivity by 35%. Now, the second problem is data storage and scalability. These were very critical challenges, as uh, as many companies face this issue. So Microsoft have created a platform called Microsoft Azure. This organization was able to securely store the data in its cloud storage and analyze and can be and cloud storage is very fast, so we can analyze data very patiently and scaling resources based on demands. So this approach enhanced data security, improved its flexibility, and reduced operational cost by 40%. Now, the third problem is productivity management, which was a key focus for small business seeking keen to optimize daily operation. So, for daily operation, we use many files. So, basically, we are integrating our files on Microsoft Word, Outlook, and OneDrive through Microsoft 365, which is one of the largest, which contain one of the largest shares of uh, companies, and it is very helpful in workflows, daily workflows, and it enables seamless documentation, collaboration, and simplified communication. As a result, the business improved efficiency while significantly reducing IT overhead. Now, our fourth problem is cybersecurity, which is a great threat to individual as well as financial institution. We Many people frequently got phishing attacks and data breaches. By implementing Microsoft Defender and Azure Security Center, the firm gets an advanced threat detection and automated incident response capabilities. This proactive security approach significantly strengthened their defense and reduced security incident by 60%. Now, our fifth problem is remote work challenge. Organizations struggle to support remote and hybrid work while maintaining collaboration and accountability. So, we have Microsoft Teams and Microsoft Viva. Companies enable virtual meeting, task tracking, and employee engaging tools. Im- Impact of this is improved remote collaboration, high employee satisfaction, and consi- consistent productivity regardless of location. Now, the sixth problem is lack of business insight. A retail company problem is a retail company had large amount of data but lacked meaningful insight for decision making. So we have Microsoft Power BI, one of the top analysis tools. The company transformed raw data into interactive dashboard using real-time reports. Its impact is faster data-driven decision and improved sales forecasting, as well as faster as well as efficient relocation of data and its impact on data-driven many insights. Now the seventh problem is inefficient IT infrastructure management. And mid-sized enterprises face high cost and downtime due to outdated on-premises server. So the solution for this is Microsoft Azure-based cloud computing, organized to modernized infrastructure with improved reliability and scalability. Its impact are reduced maintenance cost, increased system uptimes, and improved performance. Our eighth problem is customer relationship management issue. Problem: a sales-driven organization struggle to track customer interaction and manage lead effectively. Implement, the solution for this is we have to implement Microsoft Dynamics 365, centralized customer data and automated sales workflow. Improved customer engagement, high conversion rates, and better sales forecasting is the impact of this. Now, we have an enhanced schema design based on our top features. Key entities and attributes in this are for users, we have for a user table, we have user ID, name, email, role, and organization ID. For an organization, we have org ID, name, industry type, and size of the organization. And for product, for a particular product, we have product ID, name of the product type, and its license ID. For license purpose, we have license ID, type of license, cost, and duration. And for subscription, we have subscription ID, user ID, product ID, start date, and end date. And for some support tickets to the consumer, we have ticket ID, user ID, issue, status, creator date, usage, and for usage log, we have log ID, user ID, and product ID, and timestamp and activity. And for integration table, we have integration ID, product ID, third party tool, and status. So the rationale behind this design in our step 6, the schema captured the complexity of Microsoft ecosystem. User belongs to organization which subscribes to product. Each product may have a license and integrate with third-party tools. Usage logs helps track engagement while support ticket manages user issue. This design support analytics, billing, security, and service customer service. Now we have our ER diagram. So, which is this? The user table using character which is connected to product table. Product table connected to two other tables that are subscription table and device table, user table. And the presentation of findings we have. The case study, this case study illustrates how Microsoft addresses real-world challenges through a robust productivity ecosystem. The enhanced schema supports scalable data management, user engagement, and service delivery. The ER diagram reflects the interconnected nature of Microsoft service, aligning with its mission to empower every person and organization on planet to achieve more. And lastly, we have conclusion. The conclusion is the product dissection of Microsoft highlights the company's strength in building a comprehensive integrated ecosystem of software, hardware, and cloud service that addresses the need of individual, business, and enterprises. Microsoft's core products such as Windows, Microsoft 365, Azure, and GitHub are designed with a strong focus on productivity, scalability, security, and interoperability, allowing users to seamlessly work across devices and platforms. Then this analysis also reveals Microsoft's successful shift from traditional software licensing model to a cloud-first subscription-based approach. The transition has enabled continuous innovation, regular update, and long-term customer relationship while ensuring recurring revenue. Additionally, Microsoft emphasizes on user-centric design, enterprise-grade security, and AI integration. That is through Azure AI and Copilot features, strengthened its competitive advantage in rapidly evolving technological landscape. Overall, Microsoft strategy demonstrate a balance between innovation and reliability by continuously improving existing product while expanding into emerging technologies such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and developer platforms. Microsoft has maintained its relevance and leadership in the global technology market.